So the next piece that I'm working on is I got the drawers all built and glued. I have the indentation rounded out to allow the front piece to go on, and then your fingers are able to go up under, that way you can pull the drawers out. I have, it's not a test yet, but I have one of the drawers set up such that it's very close to where it's supposed to go. I'll have to do some final tweaks back and forth, but this part works. Pull the drawer out, it pretty much fully extends. Push the drawer back, and it auto closes. That's very nice. So the next piece I have to do, and this is why I didn't glue it yet, it was a royal pain to get this installed. So what I did, I used one of these, the Rockler universal drawer slide jig, and that worked. The problem being, this works for getting it such that it's completely flush to the front frame of the drawer. I need it back that far. So that took a lot of extra work on how to get this thing sorted and like get it in a little bit further. But it did work, and then it was just figuring out how much spacing to have. I ended up using 1 1/4-inch washer on all 3 of this side, and I did not need any on that side. So that's the next part. So next is get the other drawer slide. I managed to get the drawers glued up, and this is what it looks like. So we have nice even gaps the whole way around that are about a 32nd of an inch, which is awesome. Reach up in, pull the drawers out, and they soft close. So yeah, that's very nice. So at this point, everything, at this point we're up to the point where I need to glue the actual body of the cabinet together, and then put stain on, and then put the wipe-on polyurethane on top of that. But yeah, I'm very happy with how it's turning out so far. It goes to show how proper tools that actually can cut things square into exact measurements, how easy that makes, well, easy in quotes, how easy it makes to actually make precise stuff if you take your time.